I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break.
I greet you according to your time. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be making fenugreek oil. Okay, guys. Meanwhile, thank you to my old and new subscribers. I love you guys. I also want to use this medium to tell you guys that I changed my name from what it was before to a new one, which is Moonlight TV. Okay, guys, so don't be confused. It's still me and I'm here. Okay, guys, let's talk about the oil that we are making, guys. Today we are making fenugreek oil, and we all know that fenugreek oil is very good both in our health and also to our hair. So let's talk about the benefits of fenugreek oil. Fenugreek oil controls hair loss. It also triggers hair growth. It also helps in regrowing our hair. It also nourishes hair and scalp. Okay, guys.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
I will be adding jojoba oil to this fenugreek oil. Okay, I will be using jojoba oil to make it. As you can see from the video, jojoba oil helps to repair damaged hair. Okay, it's very good to our hair. It also encourages hair growth and also is also good for natural hair serum. So I'll be using it to make this fenugreek oil. You guys should stay tuned and let's make this oil together. Okay, so I'm steaming on a low heat. You can also choose to steam in the other way, which is the water type. Okay, guys, but I choose to do this way because I prefer it this way. Like that, everything can come out very well. Okay, after that, you just have to stir it and stir it so that it doesn't get burnt. Okay.
Sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe. There's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
It has been cooking for 20 minutes now, and it's very okay for me. I like the way it is now, so I'll be bringing it down and leave it to get cold.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
After some hours, it's very cold now, so you have to strain it out with anything you have, as you can see from the video with what I'm straining with. So you can strain with anything you have, a handkerchief or any other thing. Okay, so our oil is ready. Our fenugreek oil with jojoba oil mixed together is ready. You just need to apply on your hair anytime you want to moisturize your hair. Is very good. Yeah, that is it. Our fenugreek and jojoba oil is ready. You can just store in a container for use. Okay, this is very effective to your damaged hair, for hair growth. Is very good. Okay guys, just store in a container and your fenugreek oil is ready. All right guys, see you guys in our next video. If you have not subscribed and you just come across this channel, please do us a favor and subscribe to our channel, like our video for more. Okay guys, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. See you guys in our next video. Bye.